Namaste to all the health seekers. This is Dr. Avantika Nanda, a naturopath working as Public Relation Officer at National Institute of Naturopathy, Pune. Today, 22nd March, is observed as World Water Day, and on this occasion, NIN Pune brings to you some information on health benefits of cold water. Water is one of the 5 natural elements that has been gifted to us by Mother Nature. And in fact, water makes life possible and further supports life. Now, we will be knowing how we can benefit from cold water in our day-to-day life. Nowadays, we are under mental, emotional and physical stress. The stress could be because of work pressure in our profession, personal issues or multitasking to perform domestic chores at home. So, when we feel any stress in our mind or body, negative hormones are produced in our body. They are negative because they lead to diseases like obesity, hypertension, diabetes, cancer, etc. But fortunately, we have with us Mother Nature's magical gift, that is water, specifically cold water. Cold water refers to water which is less than 1 to 2 degrees than our normal body temperature. Here, cold water helps in reducing stress by stimulating our body to produce positive or happy hormones. These are the same hormones which are produced when we enjoy watching the rain, waterfalls, rivers, etc. These happy hormones drive us towards getting ourselves wet, which in turn produces more happy hormones, and these prevent us from illness and diseases. Now we will be learning how to reduce the stress on our eyes, since most of the time we are being exposed to screens. We make a cup with the palm of our hands and then take some water in it. We bend our head such that the eye is immersed in the water in the hand. We keep the eye in the water for 2 minutes and repeat the same with our other eye in the hand. Also, to reduce mental stress, we can splash or spray cold water on our face, which we can also do by wetting a napkin or towel sheet with cold water and rubbing it to our arms and neck with it. This will give us significant amount of relief. With this information about health benefits of cold water, I, Dr. Avantika Nanda, take your leave on behalf of NIN Pune and wish you and your family health and happiness every day. Thank you.